Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to show you how I managed to decorate my pergola with a decoupage method. So this is the area I love spending my time in the garden, on this egg chair. And these are the tissues I use, so you can buy them in garden centres or you can buy them online. I think I got these on eBay if I remember right. And then you can just use the very simple PVA glue rather, and it dries clear. So this is me in the garden starting on the first part. So I started with this corner, and I have to say I have actually decided to wipe it off, this part, because I just didn't like how it looked like. I didn't take the right preparation, so I didn't prepare the piece of wood and then with a glue and then stick it on. I just did it as I went, and it was a big mistake. It was lots of kind of lumps and bumps, so I moved to the other side. I obviously quickly washed the other one, so I prepared this one just smearing the PVA glue on this piece of wood. I have pre-cutted this piece of tissue, and it's important that you choose the thinnest layer of that tissue. So separate this off and then very gently put it down on that glue. And we're going to grab the PVA glue again and very gently, it is quite addictive, this part. I really enjoy doing that. Very gently apply the glue again all over the picture, so it is completely covered. And don't worry if it looks white, because it will dry transparent. So this is how it looks like done. Then I didn't like how it ends on a kind of sharp end there, so I decided to cut out a little bit out of the tissue and just add a little bit onto it. It is quite nice because you can mix and match things, especially when they're organic things like flowers, so you can just add it on. And the same process, just put PVA glue on the wood, then put the tissue and put your glue over. I'll have done the same on the other end. It's a little bit more tricky because it's right at the edge. I managed to do it. Now I just wanted to show you how I separate the tissue. You just have to find a corner of the tissue and peel it off till you have the thinnest bit. So this is all finished, and you can have a look at my pergola. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Please leave me a comment what sort of project you have done, and I would love to hear from you. Till next time.